What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're going to do today is go over Tuesday's game plan. Before we do that, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. That way you can stay on top of these plays. Newbies and beginners, we're going to go ahead and do it with you guys first. We're going to add a ticker that we got called out in the live that we did this morning. We're going to start out with Amazon. I think Amazon is a ticker. It's kind of like AMD. It's not going to break the bank on you. You can make some good profit in this right here. It's a little bit faster than Palantir and INTC. This is once you're ready to graduate to the junior high team, not so much of going straight to the varsity yet. Guys, in Amazon, they're sitting at 185.60. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 186.70 get taken out. They can take out that. They're going to start trying to run this stuff up to this area at 188.60 and slowly start trying to climb that mountain back up. If you are a bear, what you want to see is these bottoms right here get taken out. At 184.70, they can break through that right there. Amazon's going to start falling down. It's going to start pulling back. Next ticker up, Palantir. They're sitting at 37.20 right now. If you are a bull, you want to see this top at 37.30 get taken out. They can take out 37.30. You want to see the next area at 37.50 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom, they're going to start running this up back towards the $38 level. If you are a bear, you want to see this level right here at 37.05 get taken out. They can take out that. You got 36.75 on the table. Ultimately, you want to see this bottom right here at 36.15 taken out. They can take out that. They can start their little pullback. Next ticker up is INTC. What you want to see, they're currently sitting at 23.30. You want to see these tops right here get taken out. They take out 23.60. They can start running to this higher stuff up here at 24 even. They can break through 24 even. You want to see this shelf level right here at 24.20 get taken out. Then boom, they're going to shoot their shot back to 24.70 to try to run this thing in the $25 price tag. If you are a bear, easy. You want to see these bottoms get taken out. They can take out these bottoms right here at 23.10. They can start pulling back. Next ticker up is going to be AMD. So guys, with AMD, they're currently sitting at 163.95. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 165.05 get taken out. They can take out 165.05. You got 166.35 on deck, and then boom, 168.75. They break through that. Boom, you got 170.35. If you are a bear, what you want to see is this bottom right here at 162.35 get taken out. They can take out that area right there. You got turbulence down at 162.20. They can break through that. They can start running this thing back down. You got next level at 161.95, and then boom, 159.70. That's all we have for the newbies and the beginners. Big ballers, shot callers, y'all come to the table. First ticker we're going to do for you guys is going to be NVIDIA. Where we at right now with NVIDIA is 121.10. If you are a bull, you want to see these tops right here at 121.50 get taken out. They can take out that right there. You got these tops right here. You want to see 123.75 get taken out. They can take out that area right there. You got this run 124.50. Let's just say that. They break that. You want to see 127.65 get taken out. They can break through that. Boom, we come into 130. They break through 130. You got this turbulence up till about 131.82. They break through that, they gonna explode. If you are a bear, what you want to see is 120.45 get taken out. They can take out 120.45. You got these bottoms right here. You see where we got rejected at all in there? You want to see those areas at 119.20 get taken out. Ultimately, you want to see 118.10 get taken out. They break through that. Boom, I got a level down at 116.75. They get lower than that. Boom, 114.75. We'll handle in real time once we start violating those areas. Next level is going to be Tesla. They're currently sitting at 261.25. If you are a bull, you want to see 263.35 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom, 264.95 on deck. They break through that. Boom, you got plenty of room to run to the upside. If you are a bear, what you want to see is 260.10 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom, they're going to drop this thing down to 257.55. Next level down will be 255.10. We'll handle in real time once we get in this turbulence. Next ticker up is going to be XOM. Had a lot of requests in this in the live and also in the chat. They're currently sitting at 117.10. If you are a bull, you want to see 117.35 get taken out. They can take out 117.35. They got room to run up. If you are a bear, you want to see this shelf level right here at 116.90 get taken out. They can take out that. You got to drop to 116.50. Then you got these double bottoms right here. You got this where they got rejected at over here, and then this area over here that they got rejected at 16 even. They break through that right there. Boom, they coming back down to 114.95. And then you got this area of interest at 114.55. They break through that. They coming all the way back down to 113.20. We'll handle in real time once they start getting down to these levels. Ultimately, if you want a big drop, you want to see 111.10 get taken out. They can take out that. They really got some room to start falling down. Next ticker up is SMCI. They're currently sitting at 416.10. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 417.10 get taken out. They can take out that. You got 418.95 on deck. They break through that. You got this stuff. Boom, 425.65. They get through that. You want to see 427.50 get taken out. They break through that. Boom. They running back up to 438.10 and then potentially higher. I told you guys with this play right here, they do have the potential. They got smacked on the wrist a couple days ago, about a week ago or whenever it was. They can run this thing all the way back up there. Don't sleep on them. If you are a bear, you want to see 414.10 get taken out. They can take out 414.10. You want to see these bottoms right here get taken out at 412, let's say 412.65. They break through that right there. They can drop this thing all the way back down to 399.85. We'll handle in real time once that happened, but just like they can boom it really high, they did have that area where they did fall down to. It's possible if things start going left that they really try to bring this thing back to 370. We'll handle, like I said, in real time when that happened, and we'll dominate it if they start showing themselves. Last but not least, we're going to do it with the SPY. SPY is currently sitting at 573. Guys, we walked this play down from the beginning to end. We called this play, gave you where it was going to drop down to, gave you the pivot. Bulls' new pivot point comes in at 569.40. Under it, bears will keep pushing. My green line is the pivot point, 569.40. And what did they do once they passed that point right there? Boom, they ran this thing down to 568.10. And then you got the green candle right here. Some people was already sending me messages. Hey, Fresh, that looked like squeeze a bottom. I'm ready to jump in. I was like, well, if you're going to jump in, be patient. Let 569.40 get taken out first. If they can start closing candles above 569.40, I like it. Go for it. But right now, as far as I'm concerned, it's still the Powell effect. He's dropping it right now. Let the chart start showing us that we ain't dropping no more, and then get into your place. That's exactly what happened. We ran it down to there. They got the bounce. Now we all on it. Bulls are eyeing a push to 571.85. Bears need to recapture 570.35 to get back in this. Next level down will be 569.95. Until then, Bulls will push this thing higher. I gave you the next one. Pivot spot for bears will be 569.30. It turns back bears there. Above 570.35, Bulls will and keep pushing and running this higher. Guys, I'm calling this out before it even gets to that level. 573.45 is another area of interest for Bulls. Bears need to recapture level at 571.90 to prevent Bulls from exploding up. Bulls can go crazy after the break at 573.70 and then 574.20. That's when I put the rocket signs on there, because if they got through that, they were killing it. So if you see right here, we got that pivot point that I call 569.40. Boom, they ran into 570.30. And above that right there, I knew they were going crazy. I immediately put in the chat, next level that they were eyeing is 571.90. What happened? Boom, we get to 571.90. I tell you after that, next level is 573.40. They ran it to that level, and I was like, all right, guys, hold on to your seats. If they break through 574.20, they were going to boom this thing. And we ran out of time, but as you see, they ran that thing all the way up to 574.35, and then they started coming back because we closed. The market ended, but man, I'm telling you, if we had another hour into this right here, I wouldn't have been shocked to see 580. They were going to try to boom this thing right here. One thing that I want to recognize while we still in SPY, I want to recognize Hal. Hal sent me a message. He was like, hey, D-Fresh, in this photo, aren't those the tweezer tops that you always be referring to when a stock is getting ready to reverse? Well, tweezer bottoms. If so, I made 81% profit on the SPY. Boom! Champagne bottles in the air for you. Man, you killed it. I love it when you guys are recognizing these setups. And I told you what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to give you guys something that you can pay attention to, something that's easy. It ain't a bunch of lines on your chart. It ain't the EMAs. It ain't any of that. It's just simple candlestick patterns that you can recognize. And when you see those formations, you can say, you know what? I've seen this before 1,000 different times. I know what this play is going to do, and I'm ready to jump in this play, and I'm going to dominate. And what do I always say? If you unsure, set your darn stop loss. You set the stop loss down to here. I think I called out a level 567.60 that they couldn't lose. Put your stop loss down here. Protect you against a catastrophic loss. And if you would have got in right there, or even just got in at the pivot point, man, this thing exploded from there. Shout out Hal for recognizing those setups and jumping in and dominating. Good job. Guys, that's all I got. I'm not going to take much more of your time, but hey, if you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. If you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, HUT, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join me on my Discord. The link is in the description below. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.